Hello everyone, this is Ankor, and today I'm going to show you how we can extract all the information we need from a LinkedIn URL. This is going to be very useful for sales, for automation lovers, for recruiters. Very important thing, it fetches live data, very different from other tools that use database. What you will have as a result is basically information about Bill Gates, for instance, his headlines, country, followers, is he open to work or not, his education, current company, stuff like that. You've got the same thing for companies, basically. Let's start. So because you've got $5 of credit, you will be free for every month for $5 of profile. So the equivalent of 1,000 profiles for free every month. What you can do to start? I definitely recommend to use the standby mode. This is going to be very useful if you want the actor URL. What to do? You've got two endpoints. So in the UI, you can put the LinkedIn URL of Bill Gates, for instance, or for a company, Tesla. You can mix them in a run. It doesn't matter. You can also use the JSON format. Also note that you can put an ID, which is very useful if you have like an external ID from your own database. It's gonna make you very easy way to match the results. And then you simply click on start. It goes very fast, and you will see the result at the bottom of the screen, like here. If you have a long run, you can follow what's happening in the log. And of course, because you have automation and integrations, you can do follow-ups with other actors, with emails, Slack. You can send data to Make, Zapier, anything you want. And of course, the API is available. But if you want direct export, you can simply click here and use the CSV option. I hope it's clear and just enjoy.